The air tastes stale. The lights are flickering. Welcome to Outbound Station, the habitation ring. This is a fully modular 3D printable sci-fi space station terrain set bit for 28 to 35mm tabletop war games, skirmishes and role-playing games. Whether you're infiltrating a corporate installation, launching tactical boarding actions or navigating deadly close quarters combat, Outbound Station brings cinematic, high-stakes environments to your tabletop. The habitation ring features crew quarters, kitchens, mess halls, hydroponics, plus modular walls and floors using the innovative new GridForge system. Easy to swap around and reconfigure for each adventure. The options are infinite. Let's make something to show off just how versatile GridForge is. How about a mess hall? There's so many great pieces I want to fit more in. Let's make it bigger. That's good. But maybe a little bit bigger? What do you mean you want something smaller? Now you want to view while you're eating. And you want to be able to do 28mm rather than 35mm minis. Thank goodness it's easy to take apart. So why should you back Outbound Station? Well, it's table ready. Whether you're playing a quick skirmish or a long RPG campaign, these detailed models will quickly enhance your narrative and tactical play. It uses GridForge. This system features a base grid that you can optimize for your printer to ensure the perfect fit, plus detailed tiles that can be swapped easily with no fuss. Build a battleground in minutes. It's easy to print with optimized support-free STL files for FDM. You won't waste time. Just slice and print. It's affordable and high quality. Get access to premium terrain designs at an unbeatable price, designed by an experienced terrain maker to withstand the chaos of your game table. So there's something nasty in one of the bedrooms. Did you want the 2x3s or the 3x4s? Oh, you want me to do a custom one using the thin walls? Okay, I can do that. I'm not sure I'll get the sink, the toilet, the shower, a locker and a bunk all in there, but we'll try. And of course you want that one smaller too. And sign up to our email newsletter for a free gift of a toilet and a set of lockers. Don't forget there are early bird offers that run for the first 48 hours of the campaign. So back now and start building your own space station.